Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. I would like to present you my review of Varta rechargeable batteries and charger. So without further ado, let's dive in. Most of the Varta rechargeable batteries sold packed in blisters, just like these over here. I'll start from standard 9-volt E-block battery. It feels somehow light, but very well built, probably due to nice balance of used materials. It has a sturdy plastic frame covered up in metal foil. Next would be Varta Baby C 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. It seems to be a very well built, no visual presence of plastic parts, seems to be all metal. And after that, AAA sized 1000 mAh rechargeable bench of batteries. I would like to point out that 1000 mAh is the most powerful charge for AAA sized batteries, based on nickel metal hydride. There is some examples on the market with charge for over 1100, but those belong to different technology, to be exact, lithium-ion polymer. And last but not least, battery for today would be this nice AA 2600 mAh example. To my knowledge, 2600 mAh nickel metal hydride based batteries is most powerful ones at the moment. Interesting fact that all Varta rechargeable batteries now coming with guaranteed low self-discharge, which is very nice obviously. From the first sight, all Varta rechargeable looks good, just as any other high quality premium rechargeable on the market these days. Okay, so we seems to be done with good looking green Varta rechargeable goodness. And let's take a look at the charger. There is obviously plenty of chargers from Varta available, but I decided to try out this one. This particular model called LCD Universal Charger Plus. Packaging contains two pieces, whereas one of them box with accessories and the other is Universal LCD Charger Plus itself. I'll start from the accessory box, which includes charger with a barrel connector, rather odd choice from my point of view. Further, we've got here a paper printed manual translated in many languages. Let's take a closer look at the charger. From the back side, as you can see, we've got charging barrel connector and 5-volt USB out connector, which can be used for charging of other devices. It is built out of good strong plastic with metal reinforcement. Also seems to be a very easy device to use. One just needs to pull this lever down and place the battery. No further hassle. It can fit 9-volt E-block, Type D, Type C, Type AA and AAA rechargeable. It can charge 4 batteries of different types simultaneously, due to design based on 4 individual charging channels. I'll start from 9-volt E-block. As you can see, it recognized by the charger instantaneously and it went right away into the charging. It has all kind of protection, including overcharging protection, wrong polarity and alkaline detection. I chose for this particular model due to the possibility of charging Type C and E-block batteries, because I'm using E-block quite often with my Rode condenser microphone. It allows me to use this microphone without phantom power, which is quite handy. The other thing, I always in need for powerful batteries for other peripherals, like this super handy Logitech mice. Now let's take a look at some interesting thing I discovered. During my search I found out that one can use just AA and AAA batteries with these adapters instead of regular Type C baby. I bought those very cheap on Amazon. It works with one AA battery, hopefully. As you can see over here, the procedure itself is easy and looks actually very promising. These ones were slightly more expensive. Design is completely different. It works with 4 AAA sized batteries. It also feels good, Plastic build seems to be sturdy enough for everyday use. And it is all fun and games, but would it work in the real life? And if it would, how well and for how long? So let's try it out. For the sake of experiment, I would use old radio cassette recorder from Sony. It's a very nice piece of yesteryear technology. At the time it was a premium kind of product, well built, still functioning on 400% even today. And the moment of truth. It works, and it works well. Varta, one of the oldest manufacturers of energy-related products on the planet, which is also one of the leaders and active developers of energy-related products in the world nowadays. It has a fantastic and very dynamic history which started in the end of 19th century in Germany with development of accumulators for the mass production of electro-vehicles. These beautiful streets of modern days, The Hague, might still remember first mass-produced electric cars of the 19th century in Europe. History is a fascinating thing. Nothing has to be forgotten. As for me, I would have a fantastic German-styled evening tonight with my old friend vintage Sony radio, powered by cutting-edge rechargeable batteries from Varta, listening to some magical German classics and enjoying a beer. Laughing out loud. But seriously, I'm using Varta batteries daily. It's a nice, high-quality, heavy-duty rechargeable batteries and chargers, which one can trust, at least from my personal experience. And that would be all for now. Thank you for joining in. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, and see you all next time.